and we are going to be talking about Trailhead today, which is part of Salesforce. It's their learning platform. And the reason I want to talk about it is I use it a lot for work, for projects I got to do with Salesforce. And I'm working on getting my Ranger badge. And if you don't know what that is, it's just kind of the hierarchy of levels within Trailhead. It's the way they gamify learning the Salesforce system. So you can go ahead and type in Trailhead in Google or type in trailhead.salesforce.com in your address bar up here. And we're going to go to the site. I'm already logged in, so it should show I'm logged in. But you can log out just so we can go through the whole process. You should be able to log in with Google or Apple, or if you already have a Salesforce account. I would recommend setting up, if you do use Salesforce at work or you use Salesforce someplace other than your home, I recommend setting up your Trailhead in a personal email you plan on keeping for a while so you can keep your progress on Salesforce Trailhead if you leave that job. So you can log in through Salesforce a number of different ways. Let me see if it'll let me log back into my personal account. I don't want to log into my work account. So I use Google, and you can just log in using that. So once you're logged into Trailhead, you should be on a screen that looks like this. This is my Trailhead account. And you can, of course, it logged me back out on that one. But once you get logged in with your Google or your Salesforce, I will say it's not always smooth. There can be issues with it, so I recommend working on it, like I said, in your personal account so you don't lose your progress. Once you get in here, there's all kinds of different pathways you can use.
Are you going to take it to soccer?
Mm-hmm. And you can choose from admin beginner to getting ready for Agent Force, all kinds of different stuff. And then they do updates from time to time. So I would recommend getting in here and playing around. If you want to see, like I said earlier, I'm working towards my Ranger. And this one I started from fresh because I want to go through the steps. And right now I would be, I guess I'm a scout. I've already done a lot of these. I'm almost at Ranger in my other account, and it is my work account. So I'm starting this one from fresh for these tutorials, and hopefully we can get this one up to Ranger too, so I can carry that over if I ever decide to leave or I don't have access to that email anymore. But this is my kind of beginner just on how to get onto Salesforce Trailhead, the learning platform for Salesforce, and we'll do some more on that later.